Welcome guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to unpack as well as give review on the JBL Infinity Fused 100 portable wireless Bluetooth speaker. So now without any further ado, let us start unboxing. Now before unboxing, I would like to urge all of you, those who haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please press the red subscribe button on my channel and press the bell notification icon so that you never miss an update from me as well as my channel. So this is the second unboxing video, as I already told you, and so now let's start. So now as you can see, I have already cut open the outside packet by using this scissor, and now let us see what is inside it. So we have one box inside it which is wrapped in plastic, and also we have one cache memo. We don't need it, so I'm going to hide it. So this is the box which contains the wireless portable Bluetooth speaker. So the finishing is actually quite good, and the box is very tightly wrapped in plastic. So now let's just open this also. So on the outside of this box you will see the main features highlighted, and also we have some instructions related to the pricings and manufacturing of this product. And this is by Infinity Harman, which is a very famous brand. It is an independent subsidiary of Samsung. Samsung actually has the right to sell all its products so that it doesn't run in loss. And so let's just see. So the name of this product is Fuze 100. It is a portable Bluetooth speaker. It is by Infinity. It has deep bass and it is Bluetooth operated. So this is by Harman. So now let's just open this and see what's inside it. So guys, as you can see, I have finally opened the plastic and I have opened the box also. Inside this we have the actual product, and it took me a lot of time to open this casing or the box because it was quite compact and it took me a lot of time. So after a lot of hustle, I was finally able to open it. So now finally let us see what we have inside. We have one band over here to tie up and hang the Bluetooth speaker, and also we have one USB cable. It is USB to type B, I think. And this is the actual product. This is the Infinity Fuse 100 portable wireless Bluetooth speaker. So the casing is actually looking like this, and it is blue in color, which I like a lot, so I ordered it. As you can see, it is quite nice and it has a nice feel associated with it. And inside this also we have one manual by which you can read about the instructions which we have. You can see what are the things which we have inside and how to operate this device, what are the modes which you can make use of to increase the buzz, and the buttons, the connections and all those stuff. So let us see what we have inside. We have the specifications as well, and the LED behavior. We have the power on and off, how to power on and off the device, the EQ switching and Bluetooth connection, and many more. So this was the instruction manual, and let us put all this inside. And now let us see the main product. So now let me open this plastic. Okay, so guys, as you can see, I have finally tied the rope to this Bluetooth speaker. So now I will explain to all of you what the functions of these switches actually are. So if you can see clearly, then the button in the middle of this Bluetooth speaker is the power on and off button. If you hold it for a while, then it will switch on. So as you can see, it is finally powered on, and now if I switch it off by holding it,
powering off.
So it is powered off.
Powering on.
And now let's see what the other buttons on it actually are. So this is the plus button, as you already know. This is used for increasing the volume of the sound which is emanated from this device, and this is the volume decrease button. You can lower the volume by pressing it for less than 3 seconds. And this button is actually pressed after you power on this device, so that it becomes ready to pair any Bluetooth device such as smartphone or your laptop, so that you can finally play the music whatever you want by using this portable wireless Bluetooth speaker. And this is a small port here, and the brandings are underneath it, and this is the place from where you can charge your wireless Bluetooth speaker. So we have two ports here. You can use these two ports to do whatever you want. You can also directly play music by using this socket, and you can charge your device by this B-type socket. This is a rough surface, and it is looking like a braided kind of texture. So it is quite rough, and the detailings are quite big. I've already charged it, so it doesn't need any further charging. So as I already switched on, now I will press this button so that it becomes ready to pair.
Ready to pair. Go to the pairing menu on your device.
So it says that it is ready to pair any device. So now let's start. So now let me pair my Bluetooth speaker with my laptop, and now let us check the sound quality of this audio device. So now let's start pairing. So as you can see, it is connected. Now let me play a song.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. We'll go, finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest, echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fuel.
Okay guys, so that's the music which I played on this Bluetooth portable speaker. So actually I found the music to be very lively and the sound quality is actually quite good. I would recommend all of you to buy this product. And seeing the small size of this portable wireless Bluetooth speaker, one can be easily deceived by the sound quality. So I think that it is really a bang for the buck, and you can obviously buy it and enjoy some good music on it. So that's all from the unboxing as well as the review of this amazing Bluetooth speaker. So that's all from this video guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you really enjoyed my effort in making all these videos, as well as if you like this unboxing, then don't forget to like, share as well as comment down on this video, and also make sure that you press the subscribe button and grey out the bell notification icon so that you never miss an update from my channel. So that's all. I will be back with a brand new video. Until then, stay safe, keep exploring and have fun. Cheers.